G'day, Richard here from UTV. Hey, I'm really excited to be heading up to Whangarei, my old stomping ground, for a STEAM camp at Morningside Primary. We're going to be playing with drones, what do we got, spheros, we're going to be making our own remote controllers and even an emoji pet, I think we can call it. Is it a pet, Rach?
It is.
Fantastic, really looking forward to it. Can't wait to get there, although the traffic's not too good. We're following a Fonterra truck right now. So hopefully we get there soon, but it's a great time to stop and make a video.